Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Make sure your Minecraft PE and server versions match so protocols align. Once confirmed, check the network. Are you on the same Wi-Fi, or will you use a public IP and port forwarding? Next, enable LAN hosting on the host device or copy the server address in the form IP, port, and any password. Do this now so you can move straight into adding the server in the game without wasted retries. You should now add the server entry inside Minecraft PE. Tap Play Servers, then add Server, paste the IP, port, and give it a clear name so you can use it later. If it's a LAN game, use Refresh or Scan for LAN games and wait a few seconds. Make sure the host device has a static local IP and that your router forwards UDP port 19132 or the custom port used. Otherwise, packets won't reach the host. Once done, try connecting to verify. Finish by testing the connection from your device. Pay attention to the exact error because it tells you why it fails. If it times out, reboot the router and host, then re-verify port forwarding and firewall exceptions for UDP 19132 or your custom port. If connection is refused, ensure the server process is running and bound to the correct IP. If the server list won't show it, use Direct Connect with IP port. If all else fails, update.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.